Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to get Android version with ADB command and also device name of the device. So this is a shell script. I will show you that in a shell script, but you can also use that in your CMD or terminal window. In this case I turned on my emulator in Android Studio and we will get data from it. However, you can attach your mobile device with a cable to laptop and use your own mobile. The first thing we need to do is declare variable in which we will save the value of Android version. So the command is adb shell get property ro.build.version.sdk. And what we can also do is check if this Android version is bigger than Android 9. So to do that, you need to use this variable and then greater than 28. 28 is SDK for Android 9, so I want to know if this device is Android 10 or newer. It's really important to leave here space and here space also, because if you don't leave space there, when you try to run shell script, it would give you an error. It just won't work. Close this if and we will just print echo Android version is 10 or newer. That's the first part. The second part is how to get a device name. It's pretty simple to the first. So again, this and adb shell get property ro.product.model, and below that immediately I will just print our device name, because that's an emulator and I don't know which is the generated name for it. However, what you can also do is make a check if device name, so if device name starts with, for example, Samsung, but we don't know what is, that's not the full name, that's just the start. Samsung is just the start of the name. And then we can in that case print line, this is a Samsung device. Command S to save this shell script. And in your terminal, if you are on Mac, you need to position yourself to CD library Android SDK platform tools. And you also need to add this shell script. So this is test.sh. That's my file. You need to add that file to platform tools folder in order to use this. And now we can just call this file and it will print line. In our case, the Android version is 10 or newer. So our emulator is Android 10 and this is the full name of it, Android SDK built for ARM64. If you attach your own mobile phone, then this will be, I don't know, Samsung Galaxy S21, for example. That's it for this short video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more just interesting content, and see you in the next one.